The original conditions of the supposed Big Bang are pretty much unknown. People have been trying to reconstitute some little tiny elements of that by high temperatures they can produce in particle accelerators. And we also have a problem with our theory. You push it back what's called the Planck time. Back in the very early parts of the universe, our physics breaks down. It doesn't work anymore. We've got fantastic quantum mechanics that works. We have fantastic general relativity. But when you push it back to the high densities and high temperatures required by the initial Big Bang, our theories do not work. And if our theories break down, could it possibly suggest that maybe the universe doesn't have a naturalistic explanation? You cannot use the physics we have in order to explain these things. And I think this kind of takes you into the idea of a creator once again. If you push your physics to the point that they break down, maybe that's an indication that naturalism does not work in this. The energy of the Big Bang, we've got a tremendous amount of energy tied up in photonic energy and also in the form of matter in the universe. And you have to hypothesize that there was no matter energy and suddenly there was. This would violate one of the fundamental tenets of science, the conservation of matter and energy. And so, no, I don't think you can do that. Now, people have suggested there were certain things going on. I know Lawrence Krauss has written a book, A Universe from Nothing, where he actually misuses much of physics in order to do that. There's a misapplication of what we call the uncertainty principle. And they also hypothesized different fields that were dumping energy, free energy into the universe. These are not testable. That you can't do an experiment to test if these are true. What they're doing is putting forth a plausibility argument. And to tell you the truth, my honest assessment is those plausibility arguments aren't terribly different from the sort of plausibility arguments that Gene Roddenberry did when he created Star Trek back 50 years ago. So what I'm saying is that much of this nonsense about the origin of the universe coming about naturally, that's not really terribly different from science fiction. It's definitely not science.